Hello guys! So, have you ever wanted to randomize new Super Mario Bros. Wii but you don't know how to? Well, I gotcha! In this video, I'll teach you how to randomize new Super Mario Bros. Wii very easily. Now, here's what you need. Make sure you have the latest Dolphin downloaded. Either stable or dev is fine. And make sure you have a nice, beautiful copy of new Super Mario Bros. Wii. I can't tell you where to get, but you know. Anyways, lastly, you need my updated version of the randomizer script, because the original one doesn't work anymore. At least for me. Then once you have everything, run Dolphin, double click the empty space, select the directory where you install NSMBW, right click NSMBW, go to properties, click the file system tab, then right click and extract the entire disk, and select the directory you want to save it. Now I already did, so I'm not doing it. If you don't see the disk at the top, sorry pal, I think you got the wrong copy. Anyways, after you extract the disk, go to the folder. When you open the folder, you see that juicy data folder? Open! Then go to files and oh yeah baby! We successfully have the Mario files now! Now hold that folder there, open another tab, in another tab, open the randomizer folder. Now you should see 3 files. Copy of files, sorting file, copy, and this useless file here. Ignore it. And ignore the .bat file for now. Open that folder, then go to the first tab, go to stage, and ignore the folder. Don't do anything with it. Now you're gonna copy everything, paste it to a copy of files. Now run the .bat file. Now since I use Linux, I use Wine to run it. And open the Wine terminal. Hello. Is this script gonna run? It's not working! Actually, it did work. Just that once console didn't really show anything. Anyways, copy everything from that folder, paste it back into stage folder. If it asks you if you wanna replace it, you can do the same with the sound folder. The process is the same. Go to sound, stream, copy everything from there, paste it to a copy of files. Delete everything that's in copy of files first before pasting the sound files. Run the script once it's done. Copy everything from that folder again, paste it back to the stream folder, and voila! You have new Super Mario Bros. Wii with randomized levels and music. Now to write, go to the data folder, go to sys, drag and drop the main.dll into Dolphin, and there you go. You can play it now. Oh gosh, this is so slow with OBS open. Hope this tutorial worked for y'all. If you like this, great. If you don't, okay, bye!